Welcome to Tikiliper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to find old messages in Slack. So at first, just go ahead and open up your Slack software, or just go to Google and search for slack.com and open up the browser version. Then just open up the workspace in which you want to search for the old messages. And then just give it some time. You might have to click on Use Slack in your browser, and then just give it some time to properly load up the workspace for you. And after it properly loads up the workspace, just go to the channel, go to the specific channel in which the message was sent. And let's say it was in social channels, so I'll go to social channel. After that, at the top, you'll find search Takey Leopard. And if you want, you can search exactly in the social channel, or if you don't select it, it will search in the entire Slack workspace for you. Now from here, you can search people, the messages, their names, file names, and workflows, and many more from here. So whatever you're looking for, what kind of message it was, just search it over here. And if you're not searching for any messages in a workspace, what you can do is just go to DMs if the message was sent in DMs. And from the DMs, you can find the DM, just search it and find the required DM. You can also find the old messages from DMs as well. There's a search button over here. So it will allow you to search for older messages. And basically that is it. And that is how to find old messages in Slack. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe.